Hi everyone, today I'm going to make 3 types of earrings from a speckled design polymer clay sheet. For that, first take a yellow color sheet and a black color polymer clay and tear out small parts like this and stick it to the polymer clay. After making the design, condition it by using a pasta machine or a roller like this. Now this is the basic canvas for our earrings. For this first pair of earring, cut out 2 medium circles from the clay. You don't really need to use cutters, you can use any round shaped object. I am using a round cap. Also cut out 2 small circles from a black color polymer clay. Now let's finish the earring by gluing the black circles to the yellow circle like this, and that's it. Our first pair of earring is ready. If you are going to make only this pair of earring, you can bake them after this step. But for me, I am going to make 2 more earrings and I will bake them after making all the 3. So now let's move out to the second pair of earring. For this I am using a rectangular cutter and cut out 2 rectangular shapes from the same canvas. And similar to the first earring, cut out 2 small circles from the black color clay. This is how our earring will look like. For that, make a tiny hole using the toothpick at the bottom of the black circle and at the top of the yellow square. And then we will connect them using a gem ring after only baking. Now our second pair of earring is ready. Now go to the third pair. Using the same clay sheet, cut out 2 large circles using a round cutter. Using a small round cutter, cut a circle inside the first large circle to make it look like a hoop. So this is how it will look like after cutting. You can see my hoops looks very thin. This will not be good for dangle earrings. So I am going to cut same size hoops from black clay by repeating the same process, and I will glue the yellow hoops onto the black. you are good with your hoops that you made, you don't need to do this step. After attaching both yellow and black hoops together, make the edges smooth by using a knife and make it look like a single hoop. Now make 2 small balls out of black clay. A tiny hole to the balls and to the top of the hoops by using a toothpick. Now our 3 pair of earrings are ready for baking. So bake it according to the instructions. Now all the 3 are ready after baking, and we need earring post, earring hooks and eye pins for finishing them. For the hoop earring, insert an eye pin through both the ball and the hoop and place it together with the help of a glue and connect a ear hook. For the rectangular earring, carefully connect both the parts using a gem ring. This seems to be a tricky part, but I am sure you can do it. After this step, glue an earring post at the back. Now take the third one and the last one. So this is the easiest earring that we have made, and you can see there is no hard rule for finishing it up. Just glue the earring post at the back and it's ready. See, that's how we made 3 pair of handmade earrings. I hope you like this DIY. And I can't express how much fun it is to sometimes wear something you have made yourself. So I hope you will all try it out and let me know in your comment box. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.